In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add follow button on your Facebook profile page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then head over to menu and then hit at that gear icon to open up settings. And then I recommend you just to hit at that search bar and search for follow. Just put in follow in that way, and then in that list you can easily find who can follow me. Just get into it. And that's where you can add follow button to your Facebook profile. Just change this option to public, just like that. After that, you will be able to go to your profile, then hit at three dots, then view as, and as you can see, the follow button appeared right here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.